Hi, everyone. Welcome to a new English listening story. Today, we're spending a busy day at the office with Olivia, Jack, and Lisa. Listen to the conversations and try to understand as much as you can. And before we start, don't forget to like the video. Ready? Let's begin. It is Monday morning. Olivia arrives at the office a little before 9. She puts her bag next to her desk and turns on her computer. A few minutes later, Jack walks into the office with a cup of coffee in his hand.
Morning, Olivia. You're here early today.
Morning. Yeah, I wanted to get here a little earlier. I have a lot to do this morning.
Same here. I've already got 3 things on my list, and it's not even 9 o'clock.
3 things? That doesn't sound too bad.
Well, one of them is a report, and I really don't like doing reports on Monday morning.
I know what you mean. I always need more coffee first.
Exactly. That's why I brought this.
Is that your first coffee?
My first coffee in the office.
Ah, so there was another one before that.
Maybe?
Jack,
Okay, fine. It was my second one.
I knew it.
Olivia smiles and opens her email.
Oh, we have a meeting at 10.
The sales meeting?
Yeah, Mr. Brown sent an email yesterday.
Right. I forgot about that. What do we need to bring?
The new sales numbers, the customer list, and that report from last week.
Okay. I have the customer list. I think Lisa has the new numbers.
Yeah, probably. I'll check with her.
Olivia sends Lisa a message. A few seconds later, Lisa walks over to their desks.
Hey, did you need the sales numbers?
Yeah, actually, we need them for the meeting at 10. Do you have the latest file?
I should. I worked on it yesterday afternoon.
Great. Can you send it to us?
Sure. Give me a second.
Lisa looks at her computer.
Okay, this is strange.
What happened?
I can't find the file.
Not again.
I know. Don't say it.
I wasn't going to say anything.
You were thinking it.
Maybe a little.
Okay, guys, let's not panic. When did you last open it?
Yesterday around 5. I remember working on it before I left.
Did you save it in the shared folder?
I think so.
Let's check.
They look through the shared folder together.
No, I don't see it here.
What about your downloads folder?
Let me check.
Lisa clicks through a few folders.
Oh, wait. Here it is.
There we go.
I saved it in the wrong folder.
Well, at least we found it.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
No worries. We've got it now.
Can you send it to me too?
Yep. I'll send it right now.
At about 9:30, the office becomes a little quieter. Olivia goes to the kitchen to make some tea. Jack follows her.
Are you having tea?
Yeah, I've had enough coffee for today.
Really? You only had one.
One is enough for me.
I don't understand that.
That's because you drink coffee like water.
That is not true.
It is completely true.
Okay, maybe a little true.
Lisa walks into the kitchen.
What are you two talking about?
Jack's coffee problem.
Oh, yeah. That's a serious problem.
Very funny.
How many have you had?
2.
3.
Okay. 3.
It's not even 10.
I'm having a difficult morning.
What happened?
My bus was late, then I forgot my lunch at home, and now I have a meeting in 20 minutes.
Okay. Yeah. That's a little annoying.
Exactly.
Well, you still have your coffee.
That's true. So things are getting better.
At 10 o'clock, everyone goes into the meeting room. Mr. Brown is already there.
Good morning, everyone. Thanks for coming.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
How is everyone doing?
Pretty good now.
Now?
It's been a long morning.
I see. Well, let's make it a little better. Olivia, can you start with the sales numbers?
Sure.
Olivia opens the report on her laptop.
So this month we sold 120 products. Last month we sold 95, so sales are up.
That's good news.
Yeah, I wanted to get here a little earlier.
Do we know why sales are higher?
I think it's because of the new online ads. A lot of people came to the website last week.
Okay, that makes sense.
We also had more new customers this month.
How many?
15 new customers.
15. That's very good.
Yeah, we're happy with that.
Good now. What about Friday's customer event? Are we ready?
Almost.
What do we still need?
We need to order the food, and we need some more chairs.
How many chairs do we have?
About 20.
And how many people are coming?
Around 30.
Okay, then we definitely need more chairs.
I can call the building manager and ask for 10 more.
That would be great. Thanks.
Sure. I'll do it after the meeting.
Perfect.
What about the food? Should we order sandwiches?
Yeah, I think sandwiches are probably the easiest option.
Agreed. And maybe some fruit too?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay, I can check the prices.
Great. I think that's everything for today.
The meeting ends, and everyone goes back to work. Around 12:30, Olivia, Jack, and Lisa have lunch together in the office kitchen.
So, what did you bring today?
Pasta. I made it last night.
That looks really good.
Thanks. What about you?
Just a sandwich.
Again?
What? I like sandwiches.
You have a sandwich almost every day.
Yeah, because they're easy.
Honestly, that's a good reason.
I forgot my lunch at home, so I had to buy something downstairs.
What did you get?
A burger.
At 12:30?
Yep,
That's why you were talking about coffee this morning. You had no breakfast, right?
I had coffee.
That is not breakfast.
I know that now.
They laugh.
So, what are you doing after work?
I'm going to the gym. I've been trying to go 3 times a week.
Really? That's good.
Yeah, but sometimes I'm just too tired.
I know how you feel. I usually go home and watch TV.
Same.
You two are terrible examples.
We're realistic examples.
Exactly.
After lunch, everyone goes back to work. A little later, Olivia gets a phone call from a customer.
Hello, this is Olivia speaking.
Hi, I'm calling about an order I received this morning.
Sure. What seems to be the problem?
I think you sent me the wrong product.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Can I have your order number?
Yeah, it's 45821.
Okay, let me check.
Olivia looks at the order on her computer.
All right, I found it. You ordered black headphones, right?
Yes, that's right.
And you received white headphones.
Yeah,
Okay, I'm sorry about that. We can send you the black ones tomorrow.
tomorrow would be great.
No problem. I'll put in the new order now.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome, and you can keep the white headphones until the new ones arrive.
Really? That's great.
Yep. There's no need to send them back right now.
Okay, perfect. Thanks again.
No problem. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Olivia puts down the phone.
Everything okay?
Yeah. The customer got the wrong product, but I fixed it.
Nice. That was quick.
Thanks. It was actually pretty easy.
At around 3 o'clock, Jack starts working on Friday's event. Suddenly, he looks worried.
Olivia, can you help me for a second?
Sure. What's wrong?
I can't find the event file. No, the other one. The one with the schedule.
Did you save it on your computer?
I think so, but I can't find it anywhere.
Did you check the shared folder?
Yeah, it's not there.
What about your desktop?
I already checked.
Downloads?
Nothing.
Okay, don't worry. We'll find it.
I hope so.
Olivia comes over to Jack's desk.
What's the file called?
Friday event.
Okay, let's search for that.
Olivia types the name into the search bar.
Wait, I found something.
Really?
Yeah. Look,
Oh, that's it?
Where was it?
In the old project folder.
how did it get there?
Honestly, I have no idea.
Well, at least we found it.
Yeah, that's the important part.
Exactly.
It is almost 5:30. The office is getting quieter. People are starting to leave.
Okay, I'm done for today.
Same. I'm ready to go home.
Me too. I'm really tired.
It was a pretty busy day.
Yeah, but it wasn't too bad.
I agree. We got everything done.
And we found the file.
Very important.
And you survived 3 coffees.
4.
4.
The last one was small.
That doesn't count?
It absolutely counts.
You need help.
Maybe tomorrow.
Everyone laughs. They put on their jackets and get ready to leave.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Yeah. See you tomorrow.
Have a good evening, guys.
You too.
Bye.
Olivia, Jack, and Lisa leave the office. It was a normal work day. A few small problems, a few meetings, a lot of coffee, and plenty of work. But in the end, everything worked out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch our other English videos. And if you want to practice English every day, try the Fly Talk Eye app. See you in the next video.